Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rajnish Singh. Today we are going to explain and learn about access control system locking hardware. So in this chapter we'll learn about electric latch retraction devices. So as you know, we are covering here principal, function, installation, pro, cons, integration, compatibility, standard, certification, checklist, so many things. Okay. So without wasting our time, we are just going to next slide. So see, we already have covered all type of locking hardware, almost seven type of locking hardware we have covered. So this is we are going to cover last one. So this is called electric latch retraction devices. So this is also called ELR devices. Okay. So you can see in the image, this is going to be installed on door horizontally in middle of the door. Okay, so there will be one vertical rod will be there, so this is going to fixed into the frame. Okay, so this is like this is the setup, like it will work. So there will be some solenoid inside this, and this is the image of this one. So here we just it will work. There will be one solenoid. Okay, and it will just controlled remotely. Okay, so just we are going on next slide. So regarding function and principle, so see, electric latch retraction devices modify a mechanical exit device. So it's a modified version of mechanical exit devices, so that latch can be retract. So on what basis we are modifying it? So we are modifying by considering like latch can be retracted remotely by motor or solenoid when access signal triggered. Okay. This function enable momentary door unlocking for AD operators, remote access, and scheduled push pull in use of high traffic environment. I think this is very clear. We don't have any doubt for this. If you have anything, you just reach out to me. Okay. So what ELR devices do? An ELR devices is basically an exit bar, means you can say panic hardware. Okay, panic hardware that can unlock by electricity. So normally क्या रहता है, ये close रहता है. When electricity will get, this will be unlocked. When power is sent to device, the latch bolt pulls back, means it will retract, so door can open freely. जैसे पावर जाएगा डिवाइस के पास, तो क्या होगा, ये डोर ओपन हो जाएगा. ये लैच बोल्ट जो होता है इसका, ये बैक आ जाएगा, पीछे साइड में आ जाएगा जैसे. और जो ये लैच है सपोज, ठीक है, दिस इज द लैच एंड दिस इज like this complete setup is called इलेक्ट्रिक लैच रिट्रैक्शन. सो लैच को रिट्रैक्ट करता है, सिंपल अगर वर्ड में हम समझे तो दिस इज कॉल्ड जस्ट इलेक्ट्रिक लैच रिट्रैक्शन. सो देयर इज लैच, दिस इज कॉल्ड लैच. ओके, एंड it will be retract by using electrically. So this is called electric latch retraction device. Okay, तो ये सिंपल है. इसको रिट्रैक्ट कैसे करना है, मैकेनिकली कर इलेक्ट्रिकली करना है, सॉरी इलेक्ट्रिकली करना है, और मोटर और सोलेनॉइड यहाँ पे यूज होगा. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट वन इसका है व्हेन पावर इज रिमूव्ड. सपोज अगर पावर लॉस हो जाता है, द लैच स्प्रिंग बैक आउट एंड दिस विल लॉक द डोर. इसका जो मैकेनिज्म है बहुत सिंपल है. जैसे कि जब पावर चला जाएगा तो जो लैच स्प्रिंग है वो बैक आउट हो जाएगा, और जो लैच है वो डोर फ्रेम में फिक्स हो जाएगा. ठीक है, ये फ्रेम है. तो इट्स वेरी इजी, प्रिंसिपल बहुत इजी है. नेक्स्ट वन, हाउ दे विल वर्क. लाइक पावर सप्लाई, इट विल रिक्वायर्ड लाइक अ स्ट्रॉन्ग बर्स्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी retract the latch. Okay, so you need a power supply, and this will require 24 volt VDC holding current. A smaller amount of electricity keep the latch retracted. अगर this will just require a smaller amount of electricity. अगर जैसे कि डोर लॉक है, ठीक है, तो ये लॉक ही रहेगा. तो इसके लिए बहुत स्मॉल अमाउंट में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चाहिए, नहीं कि जैसे हाई इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चाहिए टू होल्ड दिस. ओके, नाउ control signal like access control. What's access control system? So how it will controlled? So this could be controlled by the access control system, and also it's working with the automatic doors. Okay, so in access control system you can see lock, card readers, keypad, or building management system. You can use this system to control this, to open and close this locking hardware. Okay, automatic doors means it could be also fixed with the doors operator. So you know operator is just like it will be installed here, and normally it's using for ADA compliant. Okay, so ELR device can work with the door operator so that latch retract before the door opening step. Okay, next one. So here some key principle is there. So what is the key principle to like on what basis it will work? So here see fail safe mode, fail secure, dogging function, and always safe. So fail safe mode means latch retract if power is lost. So used for life safety exit. Means this fail safe mode we just need for every emergency exit doors. If you don't know what type of mode is considered, so just consider emergency means whenever power will be lost. So like suppose अगर कोई भी फायर इंसिडेंट होता है या कुछ भी, तो उस समय क्या होता है पावर कट हो जाता है, लॉस हो जाता है, उस समय डोर जो भी होते हैं इमरजेंसी एग्जिट डोर्स होते हैं, दोज डोर्स शुड बी ओपेंड, नॉट क्लोज्ड. ओके, so secure means secure, there is fail secure. So fail secure just like it's not for all doors, it's for some highly secured area rooms, like for data center IT rooms we need to configure doors for on fail secure mode only for those doors. But emergency, all emergency doors should be covered with fail safe mode. Okay, dogging function, ELR can hold the latch retract during the business hours so that doors act like push and pull door. So dogging function means this जैसे जो ये जो लैच डिटेक्शन डिवाइस है, ये एक नॉर्मल बिजनेस आवर में ऐसे क्लोज रहेगा, तो इसको ओपन करने के लिए जस्ट पुश एंड पुल करोगे तो ये खुल जाएगा, इसके लिए कोई क्रेडेंशियल्स की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है. ठीक है, even always safe means even if the powered or not, the bar can always be pushed from inside for emergency. So like कोई डोर्स है, ठीक है, इनसाइड से ये हमेशा अगर आप जैसे पुश करोगे लैच डिटेक्शन को, हमेशा वो ओपन हो जाएगा. ये इसको कोई क्रेडेंशियल्स की जरूरत नहीं होती है फ्रॉम इनसाइड. इफ यू आर entering in the room from outside, if latch retraction device is installed on that door, so you need a credential to go inside that door. Okay, next one, installations. So what are the things required to for the installations purpose? So exit devices like panic bar, so mounted horizontally, like I already told you, this is doors. Okay, this is door, so your latch detection will be this. So this is horizontal purpose, and one electric latch detection that will be installed vertically. Okay, like this. And then wiring path, how it will cover. So if from every door we need to do the wiring from hinge side only. Okay, and for power we need some uh, electric transfer hinge. Use electric hinge or door loop to conceal the wire. Okay. Next one, power supply. So we already covered, like it will require 24-volt VDC, not 12-volt. Okay, 12-volt VDC not required, so it's wrong. Okay, it will not work because this will require a high power. And access control panel, right? Connect to card readers, keypad, biometric devices to send the signal to retract the latch. Okay, next one, reader keypad, it will be installed on wall near the door. User present credential, signal sent to ELR. Automatic door operator, it's optional things, but it will very helpful for the ADA. And mounted on door, above the door, signal receive after latch retract, swing open the door. Okay, fail safe, fail secure, both mode you can configure, but it will be always fail safe from the inside. Now pro and cons, as you already know, I already discussed regarding the installation purpose and cost. So because of complication of the installation, this will require this is some bad things, not bad things, but it will require little complication, because wiring and device modification may be required. Solenoid may be demand brief high current on activation, generally more expensive than surface maglock or electric strike. Normally people are just want to go with electric strike or maglock because this is very cheap and very easy installations. If you want to talk for the pros, what's the benefit, what is the advantage, so you can go with like it's enhance the existing hardware, like it could be used for the retrofit to allow upgrade without total hardware replacement and maximize value. Full compliance, material free egress function grade 1 and fire rated models available. And quite reliable, low power, मॉडर्न एएलआर. अभी जो फिलहाल नए जो एएलआर आ रहे हैं वो थोड़ा कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव भी हो रहे हैं और लो पावर रिक्वायर्ड है, जनरेट लेस, कंज्यूम लेस पावर एंड जनरेट लेस हीट देन ओल्डर सोलेनाइड ड्रिवन टाइप. ओके, आइडियल फॉर ऑटोमेशन, सूट ऑटोमेटिक डोर ऑपरेटर, क्रूशियल फॉर एक्सेसिबिलिटी. So ये कुछ हमारे प्रो एंड कॉन्स हैं. Now moving on next point. So this one uses where we are using. So we are just using for the exterior and interior door with high frequency locking unlocking needs, where like जहाँ पे frequently door open and close होता है वहाँ पे यूज कर सकते हो आप. एडीए डोर्स, पब्लिक इंस्टीट्यूशन, हेल्थ केयर, रिटेल, एयरपोर्ट. ओके, हॉस्पिटल एंड एयरपोर्ट्स में कहाँ का आप यूज कर सकते हो आप. फॉर ऑटोमेटिक हैंड फ्री एंट्री यू कैन यूज दिस डोर्स लॉकिंग हार्डवेयर. Schools and offices for remote and unlocking lockdown controls. Government and commercial building में for secure access and fire life safety compliances you can use this. Okay. So next one, integration and compatibility. So integration and compatibility, it's like, see, it's covered in 4 part. I will just discuss one by one. So access control relay. So ELR connect directly to access control relay and relay energize the latch retraction. Okay, so there will be one relay in access control, you can directly connect with this. And scheduled script, like if you want to door unlock at a specific time, so you can use this script. Okay, door operate automation controllers. Door automation controllers synchronized with ELR devices to ensure the latch retract before the door begin to move. Okay, and compatibility needs. So ELR devices require a dedicated 24-volt power supply, proper sequencing logic, integration with fire alarm system, and monitoring output for reliable compatibility. And one more point है नीचे. So in essence, relay, trigger, script, schedule, and controller synchronize, all powered and sequenced for safe, reliable, and latch retraction. That's it. Next one. Next one, standard and codes. Like we are manufacturing any devices or we are just supplying to any vendor or client. So we need to follow the some standard and codes. So on that basis we can just provide, because every safety has some standards and codes. On that basis we can just provide. Otherwise we cannot sell it directly. Okay. So some codes are there like UL 294, ANSI BHMA like A156.3, NFPA 101, and ADA. So these are the some standard and codes. So here some of the manufacturer list are given there, so you can check, and in your project you can just recommend on the basis of specs what they are required and what these manufacturer has the specs. So there are some different models, certifications, and brand are there. So Asa Abloy, Elysian, and DormaKaba, Stanley, there are some reputed brand are there. You can use the models 80 series, 85,000, 8,000 for Asa Abloy, and for Elysian it's 98, 99 series and 25 series. For DormaKaba, ELR retrofit kits there. Okay, so see, this is some pictures of the electric latch retraction devices. So this, see, this is SARGENT 80 series, and it will be fixed on door horizontally. And see, this is wiring, it's showing here wiring. So all the mechanism will be inside that. So here it's showing open mechanism, and this will looks like this is curving Russian ED 5000 series Asa alloy, and this is also part of Asa alloy. This is door Makwa. So door Makwa ELR retrofit kit. So it will be installed here like so. From outside it will look similar, but mechanism, some strength, modi, material, looks could be changed something. So this is Adam Wright's S1000 series, and there are some tech checklist. So you need to follow this. So you need to check technician. always should need to check some specs before the installation and after the installation as well. So correct power voltage, wiring intact and heavy gauge, latch retract smoothly under signal or not, device cycle reliability and free egress always available or not. You after installation of any doors, you need to check this all the things before and after all the things. Okay, and some maintenance and troubleshootings like sometimes some doors had some like not some doors like कोई भी doors होता है कुछ ना कुछ problem होती ही है तो every time you need to be main like that door always required that device always required a maintenance after periodically. Okay, so every time like what's routine maintenance, so routine maintenance like cleaning regularly, wipe panic bar and latch with the mild detergent, inspect wiring, check power supply every time and also check the fuse conditions, lubricant lightly, always apply a small amount of lubricant to latch. So this is mechanical device, this will also require maintenance. Okay, so lubricant lightly we need at every 6 to 12 month. Cycle test, energize de-energize to confirm smooth latch retraction and extension, and troubleshooting like what will happen and what step you need to consider. Suppose something happen, okay, so after that what should you need to follow, like latch not retracting, suppose latch है और retract नहीं कर रहा है, might be likely cause, what should be likely cause, insufficient in rush current or loose wiring. So these could be happen. Simple fix like what, how you can adjust this, fix this, check power supply and use correct wiring gauge. Okay. Latch retract but won't not hand, so that time what should you need to do, what causes will be there, low holding current and poor connections, might be poor correction will also cause some more problem. Okay. So adjust power supply and tighten the wiring. Device overheating, suppose device is getting overheat, so what is the cause, what could be cause, so wrong voltage or continuous energy energizing. Verify 24 volt VDC, check power setting. This is the solution, we need to check 24 volt VDC and check power setting also. Suppose your door operator not synchronizing, okay, so you need to check. So what will impact, so this will impact like time mismatching, so that time you need to adjust the relay and control panel timing. And suppose fail safe and fail secure is not working, that time what you will do, you need to test during power failure and reset the mode, but wrong configuration might be, suppose fail safe and fail secure nahi work कर रहा है properly, so configuration might be something wrong, so you need to test power failure and reset mode. So this is the things what we want to tell you, and we learn so many things here, and thank you so much. I will meet you in next video, and stay tuned for next upcoming videos. Bye bye.